Call me old-fashioned, but I like to listen to the radio on my Android devices, and there's three main ways you can do that. I'll show you all three. The quick and easy options that doesn't require installing any apps is to simply open your web browser and going to the website of the station you want to listen. Most stations will have a live player on their website that you can listen to directly through your browser. If you regularly listen to radio, you're usually better off by downloading an app for it. There's two ways to go about it. You can either download a dedicated app for a specific channel, or you can download a generic radio app that works as a search engine and can play multiple stations. To download an app, you'll go to the Play Store, use the search function, and look up the app you want to download. I can, for example, download an app for NPR from the Play Store and then open the app directly from here, or I can navigate to my app drawer where the app will be available. Listening through an app is usually a more optimized experience compared to doing it through your web browser. When you download an app, you'll often get better stability, less connection issues with the playback, and potentially some extra features. Like I said, you can either download a dedicated app for a specific station, or you can download an app like this that allows you to listen to a variety of different channels, all in the same app. I love how some of these apps allow you to listen to channels from different countries as well, so you really get a global access to channels across the world. And that's how you listen to radio on your Android device. I'll put some recommended apps in the description if you're interested. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.